I'm Joanne. I'm an account manager here at Hippo and I've been here for 7 years now.
I'm Lee Fogarty, I'm a valeter and I've been here just over 2.5 years now.
I'm Amy, I've been at Hippo for 2 years now. Started off in logistics and now I'm sales admin assistant team leader.
My name's Katie Batchelor, I'm office manager and I've been here for 6 years.
I'm Molly, I work in the marketing department and I've been at Hippo for 6 years now.
My name's James, I've been here nearly a year. My job title's diamond cutting technician.
I initially left college and I was unsure on what I wanted to do. I'd heard that Hippo was a great company to work for, and if you could get your foot in the door there, then you can progress to other roles.
I knew a few people who worked here who I'd previously worked with and they really enjoyed it, so it sounded like the right decision for me.
It was social media in the beginning and now I've kind of explored a few different options within the marketing department.
After a year and a half of working here, I felt like I was at the age where I could do the job properly and wanted to progress.
There's plenty of room for progression at Hippo. I started on web chat and reception and now I've been in quite a few of the departments and worked my way up to office manager.
It's a really enjoyable place to work and it's just like the mates really, the people you work with are just all really friendly.
To be able to come to work at the moment, you know, to have a job I feel very lucky, but to come to a job that I enjoy, I feel extremely lucky.
I like the variety of the job. My other colleagues are great to work with and the staff socials of course.
There's a great atmosphere in the office and I love the people that I work with.
Everybody's really friendly as a team, everybody's really dedicated and we work just great as a team.
It's a real family feel in there, everybody gets along well, you work with different departments and no day is the same.
With the company getting bigger, there's more and more roles, you know, becoming available in other departments and ways to build a career.
Definitely apply, there's plenty of opportunity in there.
I'll definitely say go for it, it'll be the best decision you ever make.
Do it, you'll love it.